problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Here b value is greater than a value. Therefore, the ellipse is symmetric about y axis. It is second form of ellipse. Your ellipse is in this form. X axis, negative x axis, origin y, negative y, and here a value is plus or minus 2 vertices and b is, here the vertices are plus or minus 3. These are the vertices here. We will have here 2 minus 2, this one 3 minus 3. So, now we need the area covered by this ellipse, area of the region bounded by the ellipse. Now, we can go with second form of this definite integral area. So, according to this one, we can do even with first form itself. We will go directly. So, this is nothing but I can take this area first. This area is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, area between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 with the x axis with the curve y is equal to f of x. This area. So, this area is nothing but integration of 0 to 2, y is equal to f of x. Shall we find what is y from this? Y square by 9 is equals to 1 minus x square by 4. So, which is nothing but y square is equals to 9 by 4 into 4 minus x square, or y is 3 divided by 2 root over 4 minus x square. So, y value is 3 by 2 root over 4 minus x square dx. Fine. And now this is nothing but the area only in the first quadrant. We need the complete area covered by the ellipse. So, it is nothing but 4 times. So, required area is equals to 4 into 3 by 2, which is 2 3s are 6, can cancel. So, 6 into integration of 0 to 2 root over 4 minus x square dx. Again the same formula, integration of root over a square minus x square formula, which is nothing but x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So, using this formula we will get area is equals to 6 into x by 2, x by 2 root over 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, 4 by 2 sin inverse of x by a, x by a is 2. Limits are from 0 to 2. So, we will get 6, this 6 is there outside. Now, applying the upper and lower limits. When we apply upper limit here, x square is 2 square is 4. So, this term will become 0, 4 minus 4 0. Second term we will get it as this 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into sin inverse of x by 2, sin inverse of 2 by 2, sin inverse of 1, which is pi by 2, minus, for lower limits this term will become 0, substituting x as 0, again here substituting x as 0, sin inverse of 0 is 0. So, lower limit is 0, we will get this one as this 2 is cancelled, the required area is 6 pi.